Hello, we're back again today. I'm going to talk to you about one of my new favourite products. It's really new. Yes, it's actually a power plug, so it doesn't sound super exciting, but actually it's really cool. So this is a new well, it's not new, but it's new to me, so I think it's cool. TP-Link smart plug. So if I just unbox this, instruction cards, not all that exciting. And then the plug itself. So it's quite a chunky little unit, but this has Wi-Fi and energy monitoring built into the plug, so it's pretty cool. So what I'll just do to demonstrate, plug it into this lamp, and then I'll talk to you about how cool it is and all the things that you never knew you always needed it for. Okay, so that one's now on. Now you can plug any device in, you can plug TVs, lights, washing machines, microwaves, anything you like. Basically you get an app on your phone called the Casa app. So you come in here and you do have to make an account, which only takes a couple of minutes, so it's super easy. Then you can come in here and you can see all your devices. So if you have a series of them, they'll just be sort of listed in here. And then it's as simple as turning the light on, turning the light off. And then you can go in here. Now there's two different versions of this plug. One, this particular one is the HS110, so this has the energy monitoring in it. There's another version which is the HS100, which doesn't have the energy monitoring but does have all the smart capabilities. So for example, the usage, if I go back and just turn that on, this will show me the current power consumption and it'll give you daily averages and total consumption. So if you are trying to track down a particular device in your home that you think might be sorry, Facebook notifications there, that might be chewing the power, this could be a good option for you. You can also schedule your light to come on. So if I want to set a schedule and say every weekday, for example, I want this light to come on at 12:29 PM, or I want to turn it off, for example. If I save that, in theory, while we're talking, in a couple of minutes, that should just automatically turn itself off. The other thing you can do is set a timer, so turn my smart plug on in half an hour or turn it off in half an hour. So that's if you're using it from the Casa app itself. The other thing that you can do with these is, because they are Google and Amazon friendly, if you've got a Google Home device or an Alexa device like an Echo Spot, for example, you can just say, hey Alexa, turn my light on, or hey Alexa, turn my whatever off. So you give it a name. So at the moment, this one's called Workshop Plug. At home, I've got all my Christmas lights hooked up to it, so I'll just say, hey Alexa, turn my Christmas lights on, and then all around the house they come on. Quite handy. Also, I've got outdoor Christmas lights on a separate plug. They will just automatically come on at 5 o'clock and automatically turn off at 11, so super handy. Some of the things that people have told us that they use these for are having a slow cooker connected to them. So the slow cookers might say that they need 6 hours, for example. You're at work, you leave early in the morning, you really want to be turning it on at 1 o'clock, but you're not home. So you can just log in to your phone, turn it on, hey presto, come home and dinner's ready. Like I said, I've got my smart lights hooked up to it, but you can really just do anything with it. They're quite cool. Anyway, that's my little rundown on my excitement about a power plug. If you've got any other thoughts or products you want us to have a look at,